Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how you doing today? Yeah, we got a haul and some love mail, guys. So if you want to see what love mail I got and haul, you keep watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Yeah, check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is.
All right, y'all, let's get into this. First of all, I want to just say, you guys never have to send me anything. I know you guys love me and I know you guys support me, but I just want to say I am so grateful and I'm so thankful for everything that I have received. So I just want to say that up front. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's get into the love mail, guys. I have mail from 3 different people. So let's start off with Sarah. Y'all, Sarah, girl, got me this gorgeous shirt that says, hold on, let me make sure I'm getting it in frame. Support a sister. YouTube is Lori's life. Isn't that cute, y'all? Like, super cute. And I do want to say this, guys. I did not create Support a Sister. Support a Sister, the first time I've ever heard of it, and I think who actually created it is Toni Daley. And so that's where I got Support a Sister from. So you guys know I always got to give props because that's where I first heard about Support a Sister. And y'all, you know, I just ran with it because, you know, we're about supporting sisters. So, Sarah, thank you. And it's in my favorite color. Girl, you know. Thank you so much. And then I got a gift from Lala. Hey, girl, hey. She sent me a Melt lipstick in the color Novelty. Is what I have on my lips. But I do have a gloss on top of it. So let me swatch it for y'all. Y'all, it's so pretty. And she know my shade. She know what I like. Now, Sarah doesn't have a channel, but Lala does. So definitely I'll put her information in the description bar. And let me swatch it, so y'all can see. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got a purple undertone too, but it's a mauvey purple color. I hope my camera, my phone is, you know, not washing it out, because y'all, it's super, super duper 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 pretty. So that's what I have on my lips. Now, y'all know my birthday is not until August 28th. Virgo season. It ain't yet, but when it get there, it's gonna be Virgo season. But I had a subscriber, guys, send me an early birthday gift. I don't think she wants to be named. I don't think. She sent me something before and she didn't want to be named. So, but she's kind of like my mama on YouTube, y'all. I think she know that by now. She like my YouTube mama. And y'all, if you know me, you know what I love, right? Do you see the Hello Kitty mug, y'all? Isn't she pretty? Y'all, super. And it's very heavy. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Super gorgeous mug. Y'all know I love me some coffee. And I love me some Hello Kitty. So perfect match. And then a card. Y'all, look at this. The little head wraps, Hello Kitty. Let me open it, because I don't want to open it until I, showed y'all. But y'all, ooh. I don't even know if I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. It's so pretty. I don't want to mess it up. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh, yeah. So she got me that. And then she also gave me another one that's purple, which is my favorite color. And y'all know I love these little sponges. Now, if you guys are not hip to these sponges, what are they? They're by Eco Tools. They're called mask remover sponges. If you're not hip to these, y'all, especially when you put on like a clay mask, these right here make the process so much easier. Because you know how long it take to get a clay mask off your face sometimes. And it has like the ridges in it. It makes it so much easier. So she gave me that. And y'all, I've been waiting to wear these. Look at the Hello Kitty slippers. Y'all, and I'm a house shoe wearer. Isn't that pretty? Aren't they gorgeous? I couldn't wear them until I showed y'all because I didn't want to get them dirty. But yes. So to all the people that send me love mail, you guys, I love and appreciate you. And thank you so very much. So very much, y'all. I really appreciate all the gifts. I promise you I do. Now let's get into the haul. Well, let's do this part up. Now, if you guys want me to actually do like a nail swatch video for you, I will. But for right now, I'm just going to show you. Ulta had OPI nail polishes for $3 and was it $3.95 or $3.55? Something, one of the two. So I picked up a few, a few. So I'm gonna just show you the ones I picked up. I picked up this color. And if you want to swatch, then I'll go into more details. But for right now, I just want to show you this color because I did pick up a few and it would be a while. That color right there. And you guys, this is the Infinite Shine one. So you know these cost $13. Look at that color. Ooh, yes. That one. This color. That color. And I picked up this color. That's so pretty to me. And y'all look at this gorgeous yellow. That's gonna look good paired with this yellow as a contrast. Super cute. Ooh, almost dropped one. Look at the reflexes. Look at that purple, y'all. Oh, she pretty. She pretty. She pretty, y'all. And this color. I got two more and that's it. And then I also picked up this color. Pretty pink. And then this color. I have one more, but it was out of stock. Now I got to hunt it down. And also from Ulta, they had Ardell Whispeys, buy one, get one half off. So I picked up a pair of the Ardell 700. These are the one I got on my list now. So I bought one pair. Y'all, I'm practicing. I'm telling y'all, I'm practicing on doing these lashes. I promise you I am. I'm going to be a pro. I'm going to be able to just pop my lashes on like everybody else. Bridget, Marlo, Kinky Sweat, Lala, all y'all just be popping lashes on like it ain't nothing. Now the last thing I got, well not the last thing, but you guys know my girl DJ, right? Picked me up another pair. Oh, these are so cute. Super cute. So I picked me up another one. Y'all know I got a pair of purple ones. So I picked this up from DJ's Boutique. So if you were looking to get some more of those sunglasses, they were back in stock. So, and then I picked up, I don't know why I've never showed you. I picked this Pat McGrath Lippy up Attitude. That's the color. Yeah. I'm not gonna accept the fact that I gotta wear glasses all the time. I don't think I showed y'all this, but that's what she looks like. And that's Attitude by Pat McGrath. So I picked that up. Now I can. Oh, the devil! Did y'all see that? Try to make me break my lipstick. So I picked that up, and y'all, I was watching Lala, and she did a video of this oil control on the go little roller thing. Hold on, y'all. This thing works. I'm not gonna go into no detail. I'm just gonna show you. If you want to see how it works, go to Lala's channel. She did a really quick video on it, and I can't get it out. Well, it has like see the little rolling ball. Y'all see that? And what you do, when your face is oily, you roll it across your skin, and it mattifies your skin. Go check out her video if you want more details on that. But it's by Revlon. And then I picked up some stuff from Color Rain when they had a sale. I picked up another Safari palette for my mama because she was, she wanted mine, and, they was out of stock. So I had to make sure I picked that up for her. And then I picked up this Color Rain Bossy Lash Kit. And you get this bag. I told y'all I'm working on lashes. Y'all think I'm playing. I'm not. And you got, and it's purple. You get a eyelash curler. That's purple. You got some purple scissors. And you got purple tweezers with a spoolie. And all of it has Color Rain on it. And then you got a pair of lashes called Bossy. And I've worn them, and I actually really like them. I just wish they was a little smaller. And then I also picked up one of her, what does she call these things? The little lemon drops. You know, the sponges. It feels soft. I picked up one of these. Pretty. Isn't that cute? It matches my nails. Everything's matching my nails today, y'all. And then I also, when I got my mom her palette, I did pick up one of the Sephora Lippies. I'm gonna have to start writing Queendom. I'm gonna say I don't know what color it is. And it looks like this is the packaging. And y'all know I'm an orange girl, right? Look at that color. What? Yes. So I picked that up. All right, y'all, let's keep going with this haul a little bit more. Ulta was having a sale, and it was like, when I got my fingernail polishes, they was having a good sale because I got my polishes and MAC. All of the MAC stuff was 20% off. So I picked up 2 liners, one in the shade half red. Let me swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? That's pretty. Okay. And then the next one I picked up was Soar. Yeah. Just adding to, and it's so funny. It seems like I'm buying more lip stuff. And y'all, we in a whole pandemic where we wear masks, right? That's funny to me. And that's it right here. That's Soar. Very pretty. I like both of those shades. Soar would be really cute, and you just throw some gloss on top of it. What y'all think? All right. And now the last thing I got was some skincare. Harrison was having a sale, y'all. And they sale was on sale. So if you bought something on sale, you still got the 20% off on top of it. So I picked me up some wipes. Now, these are not the ones I normally get, but these was only $9 plus 20% off. So we buying those. But these are the So Nourishing Cleansing Wipe Cloths. So you guys know I love the Harrison wipes. Like, I stand for them. Like, those wipes are amazing. And then I got a Detox Mask, which was on sale as well. And I end up getting 20% off of everything I got. I got whatever, it was on sale, and I got 20% off. Now, y'all, I don't know if this is still on there, but this right here is, I want to say this is the original moisturizer. It says Express the Truth Moisturizing Cream. So, for some reason, because you know the other ones cost what, $50? Something like that. This one was $35 or $25. So I feel like they're getting rid of it. So I went ahead and I'm just cleaning this stuff out. So I went ahead and picked this one up too. But that's what she looks like. And it was on sale, 20% off on top of that. And then I picked up another one of these little travel kits. It's called the Pre-Makeup Babies. And so, you know, I love this, y'all. This toner, if you haven't tried anything, try the cloths and the toner and the eye cream. Let me shut up. Okay. But yeah, this right here was in there. You got a, the primer. You know, they have a primer. You got an for your eyes, the eye cream. And then this right here is like for your facial. It's like a facial. I think it's like an exfoliant. I'm not 100% sure. But you guys know how I love to travel, and it comes in its own little baggie. So when you travel, when we're able to travel again, I already have all of my stuff ready to go. And that's one of the things about having these little sizes like this. Like when you go on a cruise or if you go on vacation and you don't want to have to carry your full sizes, these are perfect for that. And I don't open them up unless, until I go out of town. So, they don't go bad. And they're all under, they're all under 3 ounces. So you can definitely take them on the plane. So y'all, that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And guys, to all of those that sent me stuff, thank you so much. Like, for real, for real. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And that's it, guys. And to all my new subscribers, y'all, I see y'all coming in. But you know what I need for y'all to do, y'all? This is what I need for y'all to do. Hit the notification bell and then set it so that you'll be able to see all of my uploads. Because, you can hit the notification bell, but then you need to go up one level. Just go up another level for your girl. Just one more level. So that way you'll see all of my uploads. You'll get a notification for every video that I put up. And follow your girl on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And that's it, y'all. To all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, this is Lori's Life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life. Yeah, it's Lori's Life.